This is the biggest boat in the world. The Pioneering Spirit is owned by All Seas Group, a Swiss-based offshore contractor, and was launched in 2013. It is remarkable for its size and capabilities, featuring a length of around 477 meters and a width of around 124 meters. Its lifting capacity is unparalleled, with a maximum lifting weight of 48,000 metric tons. Pioneering Spirit, formerly Peter Schelte, is the largest construction vessel in the world. Inspired by the offshore heavy lifting pioneer Peter Schelte Hirima, and designed completely in-house, the vessel is designed for the single lift installation and removal of large oil and gas platforms and the installation of record weight pipelines. This is by far one of the greatest engineering marvels of all time. The Big Bud 747 is the biggest tractor in the world. It is 14 feet tall and 27 feet long. It's equipped with an insane extensive 21 bottom plow, and its engine develops up to 760 horsepower. The Letourneau L2350 is as big as it gets. This wheel loader weighs 262 tons, while its bucket will fit 53 cubic yards of material. The L2350 has now become a Komatsu product. Here's a beauty, the Caterpillar 793F. With a payload of 256 US tons, this mining truck has a maximum speed of 37 miles per hour. The 793F has a height of 6 meters. The Komatsu D375A is a beast. This dozer has an impressive operating weight of 74 tons, and its blade can push up to 22 cubic meters of material at once. All right, let's take a trip inside the Marion 8200 dragline. The Marion 8200 is a massive piece of equipment that is now labeled as a Caterpillar product. This dragline is not only an engineering marvel, it's also a gem when it comes to operators' comfort. Judge by yourself, guys. Monitors, ultra-wide windows, and even hardwood floors. This cabin is 100% designed to offer the operator the best day at work possible. But let's now enjoy all of it without the damn music.
Maybe next year when we upgrade.
Yeah, okay.